Ever wondered how far can you push the boundaries of AI? Today we're diving into the depths of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, which stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, is an AI model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it's given. Think of it as a sophisticated chatbot capable of engaging in meaningful and intelligent conversations. But it's much more than that. It's a tool that can help us understand, navigate, and interact with the world of information in ways we've never imagined before. With every iteration, ChatGPT is becoming more nuanced, more versatile, and more capable of understanding and generating complex text. From writing essays and articles to creating poetry and scripts, it's pushing the limits of what we thought was possible with AI. AI experts are lauding ChatGPT as a significant leap forward in the world of AI. As AI researcher Dr. Jane Doe put it, ChatGPT is not just another AI model. It's a glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. But ChatGPT isn't just for AI enthusiasts or tech wizards. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student looking to ace your next essay, a business owner wanting to automate customer service, or a writer seeking inspiration, ChatGPT can help. The key to harnessing the power of ChatGPT lies in understanding how it works and how to use it effectively. It's about knowing how to craft the right prompts to get the desired output. It's about learning how to navigate its strengths and work around its limitations. And that's what we're here to help you with. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT. We'll talk about how to generate your own images, get responses in tabular form, process lists of information, and even output text in the style of your favorite author. We'll also explore how to produce prompts for other AI engines and get your outputs in the form of ASCII art. So, now that we've got the basics down, let's delve into some of the advanced features of ChatGPT. Imagine having the power to generate any image right at your fingertips. With ChatGPT+, it's possible. Welcome to the realm of AI-powered creativity, where the lines between imagination and reality are blurred. ChatGPT+ houses a feature that's nothing short of a game changer, the DALL-E image generator. This ingenious tool is like your personal artist, ready to sketch, paint, or capture any image you desire. Here's how it works. Simply ask ChatGPT+ for a photo, drawing, or illustration. Be as specific as you can about what you want to see and how you want it to be shown. The more explicit you are with your request, the better the results. Let's say you're craving a visual of a serene beach at sunset. You could ask for a photograph that looks like it's been taken with a professional DSLR camera. Or perhaps you're after something more abstract, like a watercolor painting of an alien playing a guitar. With ChatGPT+, your wish is its command. But the magic doesn't stop there. The DALL-E image generator is not just about creating single, standalone images. You can use it to generate a series of related images, each one varying slightly from the last. This way you can create a narrative or a progression, telling a story through a sequence of AI-generated images. And what about those times when you're in search of a specific image, but all your online searches come up short? That's where ChatGPT+ can be your saving grace. No longer do you have to settle for an image that's close enough. With the DALL-E image generator, you can create the exact image you have in mind. So whether you're after a watercolor painting or a high-resolution photograph, ChatGPT+ has got you covered. It's like having an infinite art gallery at your disposal, ready to deliver the perfect image at a moment's notice. Harness the power of AI and let your creativity soar to new heights. Looking for well-organized information? ChatGPT can give you responses in the form of a table. We're all familiar with the adage, a place for everything and everything in its place. This principle applies not just to your physical environment, but also to the data you deal with. When it comes to handling data, nothing beats the simplicity and clarity of a table. So how does this work with ChatGPT? It's surprisingly simple. Let's say you're brainstorming meal ideas for the week. You could ask ChatGPT to tabulate meal ideas along with their ingredients. Maybe something like, generate a table of 5 dinner ideas along with their main ingredients. And voila, ChatGPT will provide a neat table, each row housing a meal idea and its ingredients. But that's not all. This feature extends to a wide array of applications. Perhaps you're planning a game night with friends and need to organize game ideas and the equipment required. Or maybe you're learning a new language and want to know how the days of the week are said in different languages. ChatGPT can tabulate these for you, providing an easy-to-understand layout of information. Now, you might be wondering what happens if you need to make changes to the table. No worries, you can use follow-up prompts in natural language to have ChatGPT make adjustments. For instance, you could say, add a column for preparation time to the dinner ideas table. And just like that, your table is updated. What's more, ChatGPT can produce these tables in a standard format that's compatible with other programs, such as Microsoft Excel. This means you can seamlessly transfer and further process the data in a program of your choice. In summary, with ChatGPT's ability to present responses in tabular form, you can have all your information neatly tabulated, ready for further use. It's like having your own personal data organizer, always ready to help you make sense of the information you need. With this feature, you can have all your information neatly tabulated, ready for further use. Lists are a part of our everyday lives. ChatGPT can help you process and manage them in a snap. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You have a list of items on your hand. Maybe it's a list of names, a catalog of products, or a compilation of your favorite quotes. How do you engage with this list? Simple. Feed it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is capable of processing lists in a multitude of ways. You could, for instance, feed it a list of names and ask it to create anagrams. It's a fun way to breathe new life into something as mundane as a name list. But remember, the more specific your prompt, the better the result. So, instead of just asking for anagrams, specify the kind of anagrams you want. Moving on, perhaps you have a product list that you want alphabetized. ChatGPT can do that too. Just provide the list and ask it to sort it in alphabetical order, and voila! You have a neatly sorted list at your disposal. But processing lists isn't just about fun and games. It can also be a practical tool. For instance, if you need the items in your list to be in uppercase, ChatGPT can do that. Just feed it the list and ask it to convert all the items into uppercase. It's as easy as that. Once you're satisfied with the processed list, you can click the copy icon, the small clipboard at the end of the answer, to have the processed text sent to the system clipboard. This way, you can easily paste the information elsewhere, be it a document, an email, or even another AI tool. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can take a list of information and process it in a variety of ways, from creating anagrams and sorting items to converting text. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when dealing with large lists. With ChatGPT, managing lists has never been easier. Ever wanted to write like Shakespeare or Hemingway? ChatGPT can help you with that. Yes, you heard it right. The AI model ChatGPT has the impressive ability to generate text that mimics the style of your favorite authors. How? It's all in the way you prompt it. Think of prompting as the key to unlocking the potential of ChatGPT. The better and more specific your prompts, the more accurate and creative the AI's output. So if you're longing for the searing simplicity of a Hemingway story, you might feed ChatGPT a prompt like this. Write a short paragraph about a sunrise in the style of Ernest Hemingway. You'd be amazed at how it can capture the essence of Hemingway's direct and unadorned prose. Or perhaps you're a fan of the lyrical rhythm of a Shakespearean play. In that case, your prompt could be something like, compose a sonnet about love's fleeting nature in the style of William Shakespeare. You'll get a response that, while not exactly a match for the bard's genius, does echo his poetic meter and use of imagery. For fans of the dense, detailed descriptions in a Dickens novel, a prompt such as, describe a bustling city market in the style of Charles Dickens would do the trick. The resulting text might not match the brilliance of Dickens himself, but it will certainly give you a taste of his style. Remember, though, that ChatGPT is an AI, not a literary genius. It can mimic styles, but it won't match the depth and complexity of the great authors. Still, it's a fun and creative tool to play with, especially for budding writers looking to explore different writing styles. In essence, the key to success with ChatGPT is specificity. The more precise and detailed your prompts, the better the AI can generate text in the style you're aiming for. So, whether you're a fan of Hemingway's simplicity or Shakespeare's lyrical rhythm, ChatGPT can help you mimic their styles. ChatGPT isn't just a standalone tool. It can generate creative and effective inputs for other AI engines too. How intriguing is that? It's like having an AI Swiss Army knife at your disposal. Now let's delve into how you can use ChatGPT to generate prompts for other AI engines like DALL-E and Midjourney. Imagine you're working with DALL-E, an AI image generation tool. You're racking your brain for a unique image prompt, but you're drawing a blank. What do? Turn to ChatGPT, of course. Just ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt, and you might get something as whimsical as a neon cityscape reflected in a tranquil lake under a starry sky. Input this into DALL-E, and voila, you have a beautiful, surreal image that you might have never thought of on your own. Or maybe you're using Midjourney, an AI that can generate music. You want to create a melody, but you're stuck on what mood or theme to choose. Again, ChatGPT comes to your rescue. You might ask it for a music prompt and get a suggestion like a gentle melody that sounds like a quiet morning in a sleepy village. Feed this into Midjourney, and you're on your way to composing a serene, peaceful tune. But the magic doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can even help you generate prompts for itself. Yes, you heard that right. If you're ever feeling stuck or unsure of what to ask ChatGPT, just ask it for prompt suggestions. You might be surprised at the clever and insightful prompts it can come up with. The key here is to remember that AI tools, while powerful, are only as good as the inputs they receive. The more creative and detailed your prompts, the better the results you'll get. So use ChatGPT to your advantage. Let it be your creative springboard, your AI muse. With ChatGPT, you can explore the capabilities of other AI tools to their fullest. So go ahead, tap into the creative potential of ChatGPT and take your AI explorations to the next level. Fancy a bit of retro art? ChatGPT can produce pictures in the form of ASCII art. Let's step back in time and explore the charm of ASCII art. This is the art of the digital age, created using characters and symbols rather than colors. And yes, ChatGPT can help you create these unique pieces. Imagine you're craving a bit of nostalgia, or you want to experiment with something different. You could ask ChatGPT to generate an ASCII representation of a cat, a tree, or even a portrait of Shakespeare. Now keep in mind, the results won't resemble a Da Vinci masterpiece, but they will certainly carry a quaint charm of their own. The key to getting the best ASCII art out of ChatGPT lies in the specificity of your prompt. Be as precise as possible about what you want. If you're after a cat, for instance, specify the pose or the expression. It's like guiding an artist with your words. The more vivid your description, the more intriguing your ASCII art will be. As you experiment, you'll notice that ChatGPT is quite flexible. You can ask it to add new elements or remove existing ones from the ASCII art. For instance, you could start with an ASCII representation of a tree, and then ask ChatGPT to add a bird sitting on one of its branches. It's like playing with a dynamic canvas. However, do remember the limitations of the format. ASCII art is not a full-blown image editor. It's more about creating minimalist, symbolic representations. The beauty here lies in simplicity and the creative use of characters and symbols. In conclusion, ASCII art presents a fun and interesting way to interact with ChatGPT. It's like having your own digital sketch artist who takes your verbal instructions and turns them into visual art. While it might not win any art prizes, ASCII art from ChatGPT is definitely fun to play around with. So go ahead, let your creativity run wild and see what amazing ASCII art you can generate with ChatGPT. We've covered a lot of ground today exploring the advanced features of ChatGPT. From its ability to generate images to creating tables and processing lists, it's clear that ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool. Let's take a moment to recap and reflect on what we've learned. We dived into the fascinating world of image generation, discovering that with ChatGPT Plus, we can request any type of image, be it a photograph, a drawing, or an illustration. We learned that the key to getting the best results is to be as specific as possible about what we want to see and how it's shown. We explored how ChatGPT can provide responses in the form of a table, a feature that can be especially useful for organizing information or generating creative ideas. We also saw how through natural language and follow-up prompts, we can have ChatGPT modify these tables and even produce them in a standard format that can be read by other programs. We discussed how ChatGPT can process a list of information in various ways, whether it's creating anagrams from a list of names, sorting products into alphabetical order, or changing text to uppercase. ChatGPT has proven itself to be an invaluable assistant. We then delved into the realm of style, discovering that with careful prompting, we can coax ChatGPT out of its default tone and into mimicking the style of our favorite authors. While the resulting prose may not match the genius of the actual authors, it's a fun and creative way to spice up the output. We also looked at how ChatGPT can produce prompts for other AI engines, providing us with yet another layer of creativity and versatility. And let's not forget we had a bit of fun with ASCII art, learning that we can get ChatGPT to create pictures using text characters and symbols. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that offers a wealth of possibilities for AI enthusiasts. The more we explore, the more we discover, and the more we can push the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on a range of trending subjects.